Hello friends, welcome in my channel. Today I will analyze one of my client hand. He wants to know he has to do job or he has to do business. And what about his family life and wealth aspect and everything. So there are so many questions. I will try to explain and I will try to find out to my viewers and for my client as well. So before analyzing video, I just want to my viewers, it's not like that you will do in your life only one thing. It's quite possible you can do at the same time two things in your life. So we will see through this hand and how is it possible. So this is his right hand, and I will analyze both hand, left hand and right hand. Why? Because if right hand is your karma hand, your working pattern hand, so left hand is your destiny hand and something like that. So as you see in this picture, this is his right hand, and here this is his Jupiter finger, which is quite high set, or you can say that good in position. This is his Apollo finger, which is also very good. This is his Mercury finger. This is also very good, and this Mercury finger just reaching Apollo first flange. This is a very good sign for being communicative, being calculative, and everything. Now, the thing is, he wants to do business, and somehow um, possible he is not getting promotion and recognition through this, through his post or whatever he is doing job. So the point is, you have knowledge which is shows your Jupiter finger, which is quite high and something like this, and this is his Jupiter mount, which is also very good in position or very prominent. But through this knowledge, through this wisdom, you will get recognized, get promotion. You have to check always your Apollo line, which is very short and which is under the heart line, which shows after 40 or 42 you will get recognized or something like this. So that is the reason he is not satisfied to do job or through his job. So here this is his little finger. Little finger is good in position, as you see in this picture. He has a chakra which is called hool here, and whenever you will see chakra in any finger, you can understand or you can predict yourself you are good in that graha and related to that graha. So this is this chakra in his Mercury. Chakra in little finger shows the person has a good quality, and good quality related to Mercury, related to Buddha Graha or related to Mercury planet. So overall, we can understand that person can do business, and but he has to little bit careful for doing business, because he don't have here Mercury line, which is called Vyapar Rekha. So this is the point, and he has Vyapar Rekha in his left hand, as you see. Here two Vyapar Rekha, and which is joining this triangle sign. This is his triangle sign, which is a very auspicious sign whenever you find in any kind of your main line, which is your lifeline, mind line, and heart line. So this Vyapar Rekha just touching this triangle sign, that is good sign for doing business. So before starting video, I told you this right hand shows your karma and your working pattern. So he has to be careful for spending money for doing business. So but the sign is there for getting success in business, so we can understand through this left hand. So now I'm moving here. This is the Venus area and Venus mount. Venus is also Karka or Graha related to business, and the person has a good Venus mount and something like this. as you see in this picture, he can do business in his life. And for seeing stamina, how um, is it possible that person can do two things in their life? So we have to check Mars area. This is the Mars area, this whole belt called Mars area. So here this is the Mars area. So this is the mount of Mars, which is your lower Mars, and this is the upper Mars, which is good in size, and there is no bad markings is here as well as. But the thing is, now important things I just want to explain to my viewers. As you see here, this is the mole sign in Moon Mount. This one. Okay, this one. This mole mount in Moon Mount shows mental stress or mental tension, something like this. So he has to be very careful for thinking something very deeply or something like that. So related to mental tension, mental illness or something, things we can see through this mole area. Mole is not good in palm, except if you have mole in Rahu area. This Rahu area has a very good sign related to mole. So now overall I just want to say, he was asking he has to go further study for doing job or in his field, which whatever he is doing job. So he has to go for further study for related to job. So I must say he has to go for further study, but he has to try uh, learn those things when he can use his knowledge uh, in business field. So uh, he can do you can say that he can mm, do good in that kind of field for using that kind of knowledge. So he has to go for further study, but that study use has to use in business field. So here, so we can understand through this whole hand, which is left hand and right hand. Right hand, it's all about your karma, as you see here. He has a little bit lack of knowledge related to um, expend money, or he has to save money. But here, as you see, this is his left hand, and left hand shows he will earn money and he will save money. Here, see, this is the Mercury line, and uh, Mercury line, and there are two Mercury line and good triangle sign, and both heart line has a Vishnu symbol, which is called trident sign, and trident sign in heart line under the Saturn or in between Jupiter and Saturn, which is good for getting money and wealth aspect. So now the last question is all about, now he, as you see here, this is his mind line, and this mind line just sloping down towards to moon area. So this is the second negative sign for related to mental tension. And this mind line is split here, and this shows this person will change his uh, direction, and which direction can be related to professional and personal, and his working pattern, his nature and everything will be changed at that moment. So we will count here, this is the 35 age, and at the age of 35 he must be change his direction related to personal or professional. So now here, as you see, this is his here, this is his karma line, and this is luck line. And as you saw there, he has a split line in mind line, but as you see here as well as, he has a split line as well as in his luck line, or luck line also split here. See here, this portion. So if I count here, this is also the age of 35. Age of 35 is here also calculate. So calculating age are same in mind line and in luck line. So at the age of 35 he will change his direction, he will change his working pattern, or must be change in personality and everything. So the point is, this whole palm related to square palm. This finger are little bit spatulate, and this little finger's position is good, and this is his right hand. Okay, and this sign and Venus is also in good in position, so that shows he, and at the same time Jupiter finger also good, so he is a very knowledgeable person. Okay, so he has to learn knowledge, he has to go for further study, but the thing is he has to use that further study in business area or business field. Now here, as you see in this picture, this left hand is not very looking very um, good in size, of the picture is not good in size, but the thing is this whole palm says about also doing business. Okay, and go for further study and higher study. So, and the Mercury line is available here. Okay, something like this. So the last point related to family matters or love life or something like this. So here I just want to say to my client, he has to be little bit careful about relationship or marriage life. Why I'm saying this? Because this is his here, this is this one, this is his marriage line. Okay, and this fork in marriage line. So whenever you see this fork in marriage line, that shows dissatisfaction related to spouse nature or from spouse side. So he has to be little bit careful about family matters or love life or something like this. So thank you so much for watching this video, or sorry for that, for related to my English language and my communication. You can say that my communication in English is not good, which I know, but I am trying to uh, overcome, and I'm trying to learn English and how to explain when I can share my point of view, my knowledge to my viewers, because my knowledge in palmistry is very good, which I know also, but my English is not good, which I am trying to recover, and I'm trying to learn how to explain. So thank you so much, and bye bye, and press the bell icon. Whenever I will upload my new video, you will get earlier. Bye bye.